We're going to do the optimal backlit. And our recipe for this is color, white, color. Now this is going to be done on a clear material, a clear vinyl, a clear polyester. Lintec makes an awesome clear polyester. And why is this the ultimate backlit? Because lights off, we're only viewing one layer of ink that's going to be printed perfectly. In the old EcoSolvent printers, you know, what we had to do was we had to overprint twice and it would wash out the color with lights off. This is perfect, so it looks great with lights off. And then when you turn lights on, light is going to come through the material and you're going to view the two layers of color. It's the best. Here's our backlit graphic. Whatever design program you use, doesn't matter to me. So we're just going to take our image, and what you want to know is, do you want this to be reverse print, second surface, or do you want it to be front print? So if it's a second surface, you want to reverse it. This is already reversed. Or is that reversed? I don't know. But anyway, this is something that you want to pay attention to. And I might reverse it here so you don't forget to do it in Rasterlink. So we're going to select the image to print, and then we're going to select File, Publish to PDF. Optimal backlit, we're going to save it. Then we're going to jump right into Rasterlink, and I'm going to get that file in Rasterlink by dragging it and dropping it in. Here's our optimal backlit file, drag and drop it in. Resolution, let's just say 12 by 12. Okay, so what I want to do here is two things. The first thing I want to do is copy that. So I'm going to duplicate it because we want to do color, white, color. So I just duplicated that image. And then I'm going to select Special Plate. Just give me the whole image. And I want that whole image to be white. And I'm going to select Create. Then we're going to select the three images to print. And I'm going to select the composition shortcut icon. Great. Color, white, color. That's the exact order that I want to do it in. And I'm going to select Composite. You might want to check settings before you print. Okay. Okay. That's it. There's your optimal backlit. Quick and easy. Select the general print icon and set it up the way you want this job. Click go and you're done. That's it. How easy is that?